There are 7 mind-blowing ways you can win with your investment plan. Have you ever stopped to think about your financial future in 2024? It might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning ahead. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of having an investment plan and the incredible benefits it can bring. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, having a solid plan in place is crucial for financial success. Creating an investment plan is essential for anyone looking to grow their wealth and secure their financial future. For beginners, it can seem overwhelming, but by breaking it down into simple steps, you can create a plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you create an investment plan in 2024. Step 1. Define your financial goals. 1.1 Short-term goals. Emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Major purchases. Plan for upcoming expenses such as a car, home, or vacation. 1.2 Long-term goals. Retirement. Determine how much you need to save for retirement. Education. Save for children's education or your own further education. Wealth building. Aim to grow your wealth over time through investments. Step 2. Assess your financial situation. 2.1 Calculate your net worth assets. List all your assets, including cash, investments, property, and personal belongings. Liabilities. List all your debts, including mortgages, loans, and credit card balances. Net worth. Subtract your liabilities from your assets to determine your net worth. 2.2 Analyze your cash flow. Income. Determine your total monthly income from all sources. Expenses. Track your monthly expenses to understand your spending habits. Savings rate. Calculate the percentage of your income that you save each month. Step 3. Understand investment basics. 3.1 Types of investments. Stocks. Shares of ownership in a company. Bonds. Loans to companies or governments that pay interest over time. Mutual funds. Pooled funds managed by professionals that invest in a diversified portfolio. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, similar to mutual funds but traded on stock exchanges. Real estate, property investments that can generate rental income and appreciate in value. 3.2 Risk and return. Risk tolerance. Determine how much risk you are willing to take based on your financial goals and time horizon. Diversification. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Step 4. Choose your investment strategy. 4.1 Asset allocation risk profile. Based on your risk tolerance, allocate your investments among different asset classes. Aggressive. Higher percentage in stocks, lower in bonds. Moderate. Balanced mix of stocks and bonds. Conservative. Higher percentage in bonds, lower in stocks. 4.2 Investment vehicles, brokerage accounts. Open a brokerage account to buy and sell investments. Retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or Roth IRAs for tax advantages. Step 5. Start investing. 5.1 Choose a brokerage. Traditional brokerages. Fidelity, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade. Robo-advisors, Betterment, Wealthfront, which offer automated portfolio management. Mobile apps, Robinhood, Webull, Acorns for easy and accessible investing. 5.2 Buy your first investments, stocks and ETFs. Research and choose a few individual stocks or ETFs to start with. Mutual funds. Select mutual funds that match your asset allocation strategy. Bonds. Consider government or corporate bonds for more stable returns. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. 6.1 Regular reviews, quarterly check-ins. Review your portfolio every few months to track performance. Annual reviews. Conduct a comprehensive review of your investments annually. 6.2 Rebalance your portfolio. Adjust allocations. If your portfolio drifts from your target allocation, sell overperforming assets and buy underperforming ones to maintain balance. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and economic news that might impact your investments. Step 7. Keep learning and stay informed. 7.1 Educational resources, books. Read investing books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Podcasts. Listen to financial podcasts for insights and tips. Online courses. Enroll in online courses to deepen your understanding of investing. 7.2 Stay updated market news. Follow financial news outlets to stay informed about market trends. Investment communities. Join online forums or local investment clubs to learn from others. Creating an investment plan is a crucial step towards financial independence and security. By defining your financial goals, understanding the basics of investing, choosing an appropriate strategy, and staying disciplined, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember to continuously educate yourself, monitor your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Start today and take control of your financial destiny in 2024 and beyond. In summary, creating an investment plan is essential for securing your financial future. By setting goals, assessing risk, diversifying your portfolio, and thinking long-term, you can build a solid foundation for financial success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more financial planning tips. And don't forget to share your own investment goals in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.